this trig problem, our challenge is to evaluate the cosecant of a negative 180 degrees or state that it's undefined. On all of these problems, especially the quadrangle angles, but on all of them, first draw what angle you're talking about. So if I'm going negative 180 degrees, that would be negative 90, that's negative 180 degrees. So I need a point on the terminal side of that ray, that angle, and now label that point. Well, that would be negative 1 on the x, because from the origin we went left 1, and a 0 on the y because we didn't go up any. Okay, so now in our definitions, we know that cosecant of theta is by definition r divided by y. Alright, we know that x is negative 1 in this case, and y is 0. We could actually stop right there and say it's undefined because we're going to be dividing by 0. But I'll go ahead and include the fact that r would have to be 1 also, because the distance from 0 to that point is the 1. Alright, so subbing in the r being 1 and the y being 0, we do find that it is undefined. So it's neither positive or negative, and I believe that was your question. Which one is it? It's neither. It's undefined. Now, for more information on this, go back to your textbook, page 22, and look at the definitions. The definitions of your 6 trig functions are on that page. Memorize them. However you can find to memorize them. I gave you some tricks in Canvas, but memorize the definitions. And then turn to page 24 in your multimedia textbook and example 4. Now in the example they do all 6 trig functions, but that should help you figure out any one that you are given. And with that example there's a video to watch, and there is a you try it that you can use to make sure you're understanding. But on finding all these trig functions throughout the whole semester, one of the first things you need to do is figure out where it is, and the best way to do that is just do you a quick rough graph of it. I hope this was helpful.